for you. Mommy's making your food. Ooh, it's glowing red. Looks nice. Let's go. Minimal foam. Cheers. I would suggest a meat so it has that sizzle noise. Garvin, quiet. Ah, it's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Just leave it there. Okay. Alright, start sticking a bunch of stuff on there. Oh yeah, it's going. Ooh. How do we do that? Smaller. This is our first time. Wanna go for it, Xiao? What is that? What type of beef is it?
It's a steak. You could eat it like that, it's salted, or you could
Dip it. Dip it. Is it good? Try this sauce. Yeah, nice. Chicken cubes. Oh man, this is good.
It's Wagyu. It's not Wagyu, but
It's American Wagyu.
Yeah. So it's
Not
much
Japanese Wagyu.
cheaper.
Do you like beef or pork belly?
This is more like a belly, but more fat. It's only one.
Yeah, I'd like you as a sister growing up. I can give you all the fat, 'cause I didn't like it. You want to cut it? You can get a scissor and cut it
Go
for you.
get the scissors.
Do this Korean
It's
barbecue
in
stuff.
the.
I got it.
What if I open it and then use the charcoal?
Oh, you think that'll make more air?
Yeah. I think it's cooked. You want to check?
What is this, pork?
Chicken.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You can get a Xiao one. Which one?
I don't know. You want to check? Oh, it's fine.
Dip it. You dip everything. Chicken good. Try yourself. Oh, wiener go flying. Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
Cheers. Never heard you. Come on. Yo. Like how?